Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night friends. Some people asked me how that I place my action camera, in this case the Firefly Q6, on top of the Bugs3. Well, I'm gonna try to explain it as short as possible and even show you. What I need for that is 2 hair ties, a piece of gel pad and a piece of kitchen sponge that I cut myself. So first of all, I tie these 2 hair ties together with a knot, and I make them a little bit larger so that they do not fit too tight. Next thing I do, I place the kitchen sponge on top of my bugs. On top of that, the gel pad, and I take the hair ties, which I lock here down like this, and I go with the other end, over my Bugs3, and I fit it here on the other side. Then I check whether it's really connected well. I check this. I place the knot, this knot here, in the middle. Like that. Then I take my action camera underneath it, like that. Of course, it takes a little wriggling and moving, and I wriggle and I move enough till the camera is in the middle of my Bugs3, like this. Voila, like that. So I try to avoid that my action camera touches the Bugs3 canopy. I place everything tidy, like that. And then we're off to go. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.